Hello beautiful angels, today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty. So this is Ulta Advent Calendar for the year 2020 and this has got like 12 beauties in this one, and this one retails for $20 and the value of $75, which is amazing. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I do the unboxing videos of the beauty boxes as well as the fashion hauls, so do stick around and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and I'm so happy that you're here. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Let's see what we got. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's easier to open, so it's not like just random boxes here and there. So it's tied to a string and it has the numbers in serial order. Here is the garland. So here is the number 1. So the first beauty is this guy. So this is Ulta Beauty Chrome Eyeshadow Duo, and here is the colors. I'm going to swatch this for you guys. That's a really pretty colors. So here is the eyeshadow duo, and this is number 1, and we are off to a good start. And now 2. So this is one more eyeshadow, and this one is the matte, and this is of the weight 3 grams, and here is the one, and this is how it looks, and it's more of a matte. So these are the 2 colors from this beauty. And now to our third one. Here is the one. This is Eyeshadow Crayon. So if you see there, it's nice formula. It's like a creamish kind of thing. I think I could use this as a highlighter. It's going to look good even as the highlighter. So this is how it looks. Alright, now we are off to our 4th day. Okay, let's see what we got on 4th day, and here is number 4. Oh, this is a cutie, and this is the Ulta Beauty Plumping Lip Oil. I usually love this kind of plumping oils. They give like a really nice effect. Doesn't smell anything, but it feels good. Okay, now we are off to our 5th day. Here is the one, 5. Okay, this is a cutie too, and this is the lipstick. This is the one. Okay, this is a good size. I'm going to swatch this in here, somewhere in here. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is the one. It's a pretty decent color. All right, and that was number 5. And now we are off to our 6th product. Here is the 6th. Here is the one. Okay, so this is one more this one, eyeshadow or brow highlighter. Oh, okay, brow highlighter, but they both look like kind of same kind of color to me. So these 2, so this one is eyeshadow and this is brow highlighter. I'm not sure what's the difference, but they both look almost similar to me. Okay, yeah, it's doing its job. It's a good one. Alright, now let's go to our 7th day already. Okay, this looks like a lippy, and this is the lip gloss. These sizes are like really cute, and it's going to be like really good for gifting anyone. Wow, for holidays. Doesn't smell anything, but here is the gloss. It's like little shimmery kind of pinkish kind of color. Now that is that. And next we are off to our 9th day. So here is the 9. Let's see what we have. This is a big guy. So this is the mattifying face primer. So this is the size that we got. And now to our 10th one. What is this? Oh, it's a blush duo. Wow, they really got like nice products for $20. That's really a good one, good steal. So here is the one. So this is more like corally, and the other one is more like pink. And I'm going to swatch this maybe on this hand. So this is how it looks. So that is that. And now to our 11th day. This is a good one too. And this is a highlighter. That's cool. So here is the one. And it has got like that star. That's really pretty. So I'm going to swatch this. So here is the one. That's really pretty too. Wow. Okay, and now to our last one. Where is the last one? 11, 12. Okay, here is the 12th one. Where is the 12th one here? Okay, there it is. Where it says 12. Oh, okay, it's something makeup setting spray. This is like so tiny. I thought this is of some kind of perfume or something. It's really teeny tiny size. And it smells good. Ulta has like really good stuff. I never thought. Okay, now that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you loved today's video, and if you do, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.